Is money spent on cybersecurity a sunk cost for your business? Or can it be turned into a growth opportunity? Hi, I'm Steve Conyers with CMIT Solutions, and I provide cybersecurity and IT services to businesses and nonprofits. And in some previous videos and on my website, I describe simplified ways to attack your cybersecurity and come up with a cybersecurity program. As you may have also known that many companies are paring their vendor list, that's cutting out vendors who do not have a robust cybersecurity program. So after you go through the expense and the time of creating a robust cybersecurity program and have all the evidence that you need to prove that you're cyber secure with your client's data and other information, what can you do to turn that around and recover the costs? So what I've been telling my clients, and I've seen it happen in real life, is highlighting the fact that you now have done all this work and you are cyber secure, or you've increased your cybersecurity to a good level. And so what I recommend and what people do is they highlight this achievement on the social media. They can put it on your website. In your conversations when you're networking, just bring up, what you went through and what the opportunity is for you. And even consider putting it in your email signature. As I said previously, companies are paring their vendor list, and what that means is that there's opportunity for people who are compliant to replace those paired vendors. If you have any questions about this or anything else to do with cybersecurity, please reach out to me. You'll see my information at the end of this video and more information on my website and LinkedIn. I'd love to continue the conversation. Again, it's Steve Conyers with CMIT Solutions, and here's hoping you have a safe and secure day.